Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to make Ackee stewed chicken. Come on with me. As you can see, I'm cooking up my chicken. You know, I don't like too much skin on my chicken when I cook it. You know, this I'm trying to make some extra oil in the pot. But yeah, so you know that looks like a good, nice size pieces. Yep. I know that the chicken is all cut up. I'm about to wash the chicken with some vinegar right here. I don't know about you, but I have to wash my chicken. You know, everybody I post some video on Instagram and Facebook and them place there and them now wash them chicken. No sir, chicken have to wash. Yeah. So we will sink. You know, get the chicken washed. I just poured my blended season from the Ninja onto the chicken. Alright, so nice. And then my favorite, some BAdia. And my secret ingredients right here. The season. Alright, then I'm just gonna some black pepper. So we got some grace browning right here. Alright, so it looks like it's all mixed up. I'm trying to get all the seasonings up here as good as possible. Okay, so that's all done with. It's alright, we're gonna dip a little tip in the pot. I don't wanna put too much. That should be good. Chicken. Alright, so let me show you what's going on. So we got the Ackee over there, and now we got the pimento seeds here, garlic, we got some sweet pepper over there, we got some scallions right there, some onions and some Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Now we have some chopped tomatoes and some carrots. Alright, so now we're about to drop these chicken into the pot. Piece by the piece. Alright people, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk in it. Not too much. Let me add these stuff into it. Let's get the garlic. Followed by the few pimento seeds. So now all of that is in there. Let's get some onions in there. Scotch bonnet pepper. The peppers in there. Some carrots. Scallion. A couple pieces of tomatoes. So now you want to just stir it up. Probably cover it down back for another 5 minutes. Alright. So let me see what I got. So I go on. So I look right. Yeah. grab some thyme in the pot. Add my ketchup sauce now to finish up the stew. As all the stew is all done. Look at the sauce. Zoom in on the sauce there. Look at the sauce. Now it's time to add the ackee. If you're from Jamaica, you love ackee. You can't tell me you never tried this one time growing up in your life. This is gonna be crazy. Alright. Let's get the ackee up in it now. Only had real Jamaican not do this. Alright, if you're from the islands, then we have to get off everything off of your spoon. So now the ackee is up in it. Just want to stir it a little bit, not too much. Add some parsley flakes at the top. Just to top it off. So there you got it, guys. The ackee stew chicken. Close up, babe.